Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the pistol in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this pistol, and it's pretty simple, but there's a lot of strange proportions. So let's start out with the cylinder in the middle. So we're just gonna draw in, this is gonna be a straight line across. But this one on top is gonna slant up slightly. So there's a lot of strange angles. Now just connect that. And we can add in a little bit of detail. I'm just gonna add in 2 lines right here. And then from the middle here, just draw angle like this, and then another angle down. So this is just some detail. Okay, so once we have the cylinder, now we're gonna go in the back here. Just draw like a curve here, a semicircle. And again, we can add a little bit of detail, just add a little bit of line. And then from here, it gets a little bit trickier. So we're gonna draw the front part right here. Just kind of come down. And then we're gonna curve it. And then from here, we're gonna curve it all the way around this way. So this is the tricky part. So we're gonna curve it in, and then we're just gonna come out. And then, so once we're down here, let's draw in the little trigger. So we're gonna, from here, we're just gonna curve it back up to here. I'm gonna extend this a little bit, and now I'm just gonna give the same line some thickness. So I'm just gonna curve it. And then for the trigger itself, I'll just draw it in here. So then after this, we're gonna draw in the handle, the grip. So on this line here, we're gonna come down slightly. And then we're gonna curve this one up here. So this one is very tricky. So from here, draw like a curve this way. And then once you have this, we're just gonna curve down. Finish up the grip. And then we'll just connect this. Okay, so once you have this, and now we can finish up the top. And this one's it's got some tricky shapes here too. So we're gonna slant down. And once you get to about this point here, we're just gonna curve it. And then we're gonna curve this way. And then now we're gonna curve this way to come back down here. Just meet up with that. Alright, and then we're gonna draw the hammer on the back. So we're gonna curve. And then just kind of curve it down. Okay, and then let's add in some detail here. 1 screw here, and there's gonna be a smaller one here. Okay, and then now for the barrel, this one is a little bit easier. So all the way up here, just gonna draw 1 line straight across. And then this line here, I'm gonna slant it up. So it's gonna be much wider on the top, on the tip. Okay, so I'm gonna close this. Now you can just kind of curve top and bottom, and then just close it again. And then there's gonna be the sight here. So we're gonna curve up. Let's draw that shape, and then once you have that, come down, and then we're just gonna give this some thickness here. Touch the barrel, come back up, and then down. Okay, and then 1 more here, right here. This is gonna be 2 straight lines going out this way. Close it off. And then we're just gonna draw in a bunch of these lines slanting. Okay, so that's pretty much the gun, and now all we have to do is just add in some detail. So right here, I'm just gonna draw a bunch of little wiggly shapes. So we're gonna curve, just kind of zigzag. Okay, it doesn't have to be exactly the same. Just zigzag it, and then on the side here, just drawing like a little curve, and then the bottom as well. And then here, just a few curves, couple of curves. And that is it for this pistol in Fortnite. And remember, if you're using this weapon in the game, you're pretty much dead meat. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.